my teeth and dived straight into work. I did like a short meditation. Actually, like a meditation is good. Like if I catch myself like getting too like stressed or rushed, I know it's best to just to just like take a couple breaths and recenter. So this is like really good. And another note is like I've been doing these pomodoros at the Edge City co-working spot, and it's like those are actually good because I'm surrounded by like 10 like other like really smart people that are just like in the zone, and I'm like, your body picks up like cues or mirror neurons that is like, and it takes in that energy, and then it's very good to be like around people that you want to be like, or like that you want to have some of their qualities, like their ability to calmly work on their laptop. So to me, it's like it's important to slow down and to always return to my breath. And I have moments where I do like I'm in a deep meditative state and I'm like, this is good. But then, become aware of the times when you're not, and then you can be like, I can become aware. And awareness is like a medicine. Let's see, live stream. I can become aware. And awareness. That's good. It's live streaming. The stream is live streaming. Success. Okay, so what else we got here? So I'm just gonna start working and dive in. Okay. Why? Why is it crashing? So I believe like the first couple hours of the day is like the best working session. So I was live last night before I went to sleep, and I'm live right now. I really want to have this AI that like processes the video here and like gives me advice. And that's what I'm really building with Lumi. It's just like Lumi is for luminescence, or luminous, in order to illuminate your life. And it's about data about your life, like live streams or your content, your YouTube, your Instagram, all in one place. I should have a um, left and right. The tab. You make me happy and it's hard to do. Alright, I'm gonna wear the goggles. Let's go. I am live streaming. Don't forget it. You probably have to have like a lot of healthy fear about forgetting you're live streaming and then you're doing something stupid. Just finished my coffee and it tastes really good. I got this like gourmet coffee and it's from Nicaragua. But the mocha pot it leaves a little like residue, so I feel like it's a bit bitter. All right, so I think I'm trying to fix this bug and I'm deploying it. 502 bad gateway error means its server is crashing, but the server okay, refreshed. What's happening here? Let's see. Let's just try to do send a chat message. Smart contracts, extra, side out. All right, tell me something. Open. Tell me about this article. What is the key inside? Let's see. All right. I should be. Why am I seeing this? Why is this old? Ooh. All right. Let's see, am I on this frequency? Is the YouTube still streaming? Looks like it. No, I don't want to go to the studio. I want to
Watch yourself be on a phone.
I think I need a candle. I think that would, and incense, that would fix the vibe.
So I've made progress. And it's always about like changing another tip.
And I think like watching yourself work is really just good. Hi. Oh, okay. I hate when Claude just or fucking. Oh my god, I hate this. Like Klein just starts committing these changes. Why is Klein committing the changes? 90. It's so bad. Stop. I just set the setting. Oh, I have to like redo. I have to undo the commit. You have to stop. Damn it. So this is like the struggle with, or like the thing with coding. You just have to not get angry, and if it's like something like you have to stop that. I should probably change my last name as well because I'm like fucking Bob Dylan, where I'm just like, um, you know, you if, if you are the if you have the history of it, like the upbringing where you and your dad were never like if you were if you're like the Dylan type, which is like character that is like God is your dad, and your God is your dad in the sense that your father is like, that's a quote, when your father and mother forsake you, the Lord will take you up. Then you have to change your last name. That's what I have to fucking do. Oh fucking okay. Sometimes I can just get angry. So PsychDAO, what is this? They're doing a microbiome study. Why am I getting a coding? Prompting is the new craftsmanship. Coding is becoming about designing the conversation, refining prompts, steering the vibe, and creating with the AI products. The real artistry lies in shaping the machine's behavior through your own understanding and intention. Human taste still matters. Even as AI gets smarter, it still lacks taste. The subtle intuitions and preferences that make products lovable, the human's role is to ensure alignment with purpose, coherence, and user experience. I get that. Bottleneck is cognition, not computation. I'm reading summaries of this article about vibe coding, which is quite good. I'm going to take a break for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm back. I just used the toilet, and yeah, I'm like doing research on the SciDao biome microbiome study, and like I'm gonna do it, and it's like doing it for science, doing it for trying the decentralized science, being part of it, and it's gonna be interesting. I'm into it. I had to do some background research about just the organization and things like that, and it's like pretty good, pretty legit. Um, a lot of scams in crypto, but sometimes you just gotta go with your gut. This is the gut microbiome study. Ah, damn, this looks pretty good. Like being on the Vision Pro, it's like this is part of my face. But it's kind of messed up. Sometimes the wire, I mean, here, it disconnected just now. I was like on the toilet. I was just like disconnected. Whoa. All right, now I'm back on the moon of Jupiter, and I'm working on this code. And let's go. Claude. Now, why is this fucking thing happening? You make me happy and it's hard to do. I'm so glad that I found you. You make me happy and it's. I did do a You make me happy and it's hard to do. I have a ticket. That coffee was good. I think I'm gonna have another cup, but I want to make. I have to focus and like get this shit done. Okay, now there's so many interesting open journal. I'm just going to. No, okay, so. Need to flush. Okay. PN2 logs say maker streaming. Good. Do 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 do. Oh. Why is this error happening on this server? How do I fix it? Camo. Okay, Camo Studio, nice app. All right, so Camo Studio is an example of an app that I want to create. Like, just make this amazing, amazing open source AI power tool. Like, that's my goal. So like, I'm just gonna work towards that and just like make it happen. Just believe in yourself. I can make it happen. I just need to stay focused, determined. Like, and what that means is like this AI journal, this like AI multi-chat, all these AI models in one place. Just make it happen, Conrad. And then like build a world mini app and create your AI twin and AI second brain. So that's my goal. That's what I'm focused on. And so I'm gonna be like vibe coding the hell out of this, and that means like using the best, latest, greatest tools. And I'm gonna. So let's see what's on the calendar today. So much shit happening. Why? If you're watching it. Oh, fuck. It's 7:17. I'm gonna be here until 9:15. So there's 2 more hours before this so sucks. There's 2 more hours before the first session of the day. So I'm gonna just try to. Why is it doing this git log, and Klein is just going crazy. Needs to be watching it closely, but now it's using Grok, so it's not draining my API balance for Claude. My API balance for Claude was like $25, and it was just like one question was like $1.50, and it was like, that's gonna go fast. It's gonna disappear fast. I asked a question and it's like doing all these crazy things. I just wanted to answer my question, like, why is this error happening? Specifically, failed to find server action. This request might be from older or newer deployments. I just wanted to tell me like information about this. Stop. Do not make any git commits. I need you to tell me about this error on this server. What does it mean and how to fix it? I deleted. Next cache. Why does this error happen? And how to prevent it? So I really want Lumi to be cross-platform. Like, you just talk to it on the mini app. You have the Vision Pro app. You have the mobile app. So that's the vision. Oh, so it's a stale request. It's on the browser side. I Setting privacy, clear browsing data. I did this already. Settings privacy. Of course I hard refreshed. Empty cache and hard reload. Oh. Why do I get bad network gateway? And there's no error. So I might have a second mocha pot espresso. My feet are like hurting from the soccer game yesterday. So why is gateway 502 bad gateway error? But of course it is. It is. It is of course. I did restart this. Oh, why? 502? But it's not crashing. But I don't see any. I see the 502 error happening on the browser, but on the server, no logs at all. What I can do here is I did empty cache and hard reload. Let's see, Pomodoro. I already did one Pomodoro. Starting a second one. Maybe I'm gonna have a second coffee. Yeah, do some. Alright, sun is up. How sore am I from yesterday? Pretty sore. Some of the classic yoga moves. You have to, like, if you like yoga, like, you just make it part of your day, and you can make it part of your life. And you don't have to go to yoga class. You can just like do the poses, and you can just tune into it and be like, this is who I am. I'm a yogi. All right, so This is really fabulous. Like, I mean, fabulous. It's like amazing. Like, I can see this giant curved monitor just floating above my desk, and it's beautiful. I'm excited for this. This makes me happy. Like, thank you, universe. Thank you, Apple. Thank you, Steve Jobs. There's this giant monitor here. Like, could be lighter. Like, why did you make it out of aluminum? Like, just you don't need. It doesn't need to be like scientific like instrument or like space grade or something. Like, it's not a phone that you can drop and like it needs to be resilient. It can be like a light plastic. You don't need glass on the fucking thing. Like an iPhone, it's on your hand. You touch it, like you hold it. You can put it in your pocket. You drop it. But this thing is on your face. You don't need a glass. It's hard. It's heavy material. You have to make it light so you can like do movements and you can jump with it. And it's just like a ski goggle. Like, that's what you need. Like, super light. Optimized for lightness, and like you just swap it in like ski goggles. Like, that's what we need. So I need to get out there and like fucking like make it happen in like VR. Make it happen in. So I have to start with like the revolution of like taking off with like startups. I have to start with something. So I'm working on luminalog.com. It's this like AI power user platform, and it's gonna be like cross-platform. Right now, I'm making the chat with PDF. Like, it's a very basic thing. Like, it's so 2022, but still, it's so helpful if you just like you still need it. Like, and there aren't very good solutions out there. And so that's what I'm using my time to do. No, the Next.js app is on 3000. The Chroma service. Why are you... Why is okay, I found a solution. It's like just ask it to there's a toggle between action and planning, and so if you just have it on plan, it's not going to do any commands. Okay, it's telling me hard refreshed, but I did hard refresh. What are server actions? What's solution to prevent this from happening? Should I be playing some soft music? Like soft frequencies or like focus music? Yeah, maybe. Ooh, where's my speaker? There it is, right in front of me. So today I'm focused on, I'm just gonna build the mini app, like start a fresh repo and start a new fresh like deployment, Terraform, like whole new thing. But then do I wanna use the same backend? Like there's the debate I keep having is like, do I just start fresh or do I just keep this thing running, like this backend? Like it's always like the debate, like do you what is the best way to do this? Do I start fresh? Like just start fresh? Or do I keep like working on this like old Next.js app from like 1 year ago, 2 years ago? Oh, this okay. This is hallucinating still. Oh, Grok is hallucinating. Bad Grok. Server actions are caching on the next server, and so that means it's bad news. Bad news. Bad news. I'm gonna play some frequencies. Might have a second mocha pot, but really I need to get this thing done. Like, why do I have this? How do I get rid of these like next caching errors? Like, next, please stop making these like caching mechanisms that are hard to fix. mocha pot. New mocha pot espresso coming, and like, God, please help me finish this bug, squash this bug, and then I can say that that is working, but it's being like, what's it doing? It's fighting. All right, am I fighting? Who's fighting? Okay, why is it changing this code? What did it do? Response headers? I don't know. I don't want response headers. Why? Undo this. Bad Claude. Bad Claude. No, it's X Grok. Bad Grok. Oh. Source. No. Source. No. This is bad. Unified. And then unified send message. No. This is bad. Undo. Restore. Good. Now what can I do here? I can do sit here. Okay, so what if I use a... Oh, this is so bad. Why is this error? It's a cache server actions, or it's hallucinating. I don't... Or which one is it? 502 back gateway. What's happening? God, please help me. I have to take a break to think. Coffee's brewing, and then I'm gonna have, it's 7:45, Really, there's like an hour and a half, so there's not much time before the day starts. And I want to have this done, so I want to have this smoothly working. I think the word is grace. You gotta find your grace. Give yourself some grace. Give yourself some grace. Be like, there's always half empty or half full glass. Be like, always be on the positive side. Be like, this is good. All right, let's go. Look at all the things that are working. Make it happen. All right, baby, make it work. Why did I say baby? I don't know why. Is this my girlfriend? No. Okay, might need to plug in to get sharp power. I'm at 30%. I want to go into the day with full power. And yeah, I need to like make an open source project and just start fucking fresh, I think. But okay, today I'm just gonna fix this bad gateway error. Actually, like, ageism is a fucking thing. I guess it's like I'm starting to realize it. Like, but at the same time, like, you actually do like life after what, like 40, 50, 60? Like after 60, you're kind of like you're fucked. You're like 1/10, 20. You're operating at 20%. It's so sad, but like we can solve that probably in like five to 7 years. But like things like playing soccer. I'm still like I'm 36. I can still like play, but like I know it's just like a couple more years. There's only a couple more years left of like playing soccer and like being able to relatively like compete. That's like the saddest thing, because it's like you're always thinking you're just like gonna be like this, and you take it for granted. Like I would be like skateboarding all my teens and early 20s, and it would just be like endless energy, and you just take it for granted. Like, of course, I'm just gonna be skateboarding all day. And now it's like you're looking at oh, I can see on the horizon like the end of this. But it's always like that. You always have to you're always like appreciating or not. So it's always subjective. Like, it's on you to be in the present and enjoy it. And all the other API routes are working, except the one on. So, am I still live streaming? I feel like I need to be doing. I used to be doing sci-fi sci-fi films with AI. So I think there's like an event there at social layer. So many things today. There's so many things today. It's like all day there's packed with amazing events. There's there's how to reach 5 million users with a simple SDK. 11 o'clock. There's so many things happening. I'm just gonna make it happen. So I'm just gonna go. Use time. It's Wednesday. Alright, let's see. right, so I'm feeling like this is really not a good thing. It's 8:03. I really want the AI to be like watching me live stream and then just like commenting and just like knowing about the context. And all right, one step at a time. Just look at, you're climbing a mountain, you just take one step at a time and then you get to the top. So let's confirm. All right, so I have one more hour before I pack up and go, and I'm feeling good, and I'm feeling good. I'm gonna create something today about. I'm gonna get this chat with PDM to work. I think it's a browser cache issue. What if I open up a new window with a new window? Can I change to a different profile? Let me just do this. Login. I already logged in. "502 error, 502 error." Why are you failing? I think I should stop using Next.js and just do Express server and React client and just make it simple and have the server just be accessed from the mini app, from the iOS app, from the Vision Pro app, and then make it all open source, and have a clear vision, like in a mission statement. Oh yeah. Oh, I can feel my muscles are sore, but I didn't even do any lifting yesterday. I played soccer. Why are my forearms? I was doing lifting on Monday, and today is Wednesday. It's weird. Alright, now I just changed my environment. Now I'm on the freaking moon of Jupiter. I like that. I like that. Yo. I don't get the config updates. I think every day you have to be clear about your mission statement. And my mission statement is to build AI power user tools that allow us to transcend our limitations. And that means tightly coupling AI with human beings. And that's done through really good AI apps that like understand you, your context, and like I have to refine this and like refine and polish this vision so you're super clear about it and create content about it. It's like I have to repeat it to myself so that I know what I'm working on and why. And like every day I start with this, like I need like a mission statement and like a prayer to like get my mind straight. All right, I think I found the issue. It's 8:23 a.m. and I think the issue was using a server library inside a client component, and the solution is to use a client function, a tub, on the client side, and that will stop causing this error. And this error is happening because of this, but I don't really know about that. Buffer from. No, this, I think it might be just hallucinating here a little bit. Why is it proxy pass? Proxy pass localhost 3000. It's correct. Eight 8:25 a.m. I have less than 1 hour left before the day starts and everything goes crazy. Meaning like just lot of things happening. No, git push force. Forced. Git pull. Young build and PM2 restarts. It's like being a mountain climber, you have to like know that you take one step at a time. And that's like one step is not a lot. To cover the distance to get up to the mountaintop, it's not a lot. But likewise, every minute or every hour you spend writing code or working on your project, it's not a lot, but it adds up. And so you just have to take it one step at a time. And don't be like, I have to jump ahead, or like, just don't be looking at the top, just be looking at the next step. So for me, it's like, it's what I'm about. Like, it's my meditation, my mantra. Like, I'm just like, I want to have this chat with PDF working well on production. Then I'm gonna make it so that you can set it so that you can make it public and anybody can use it. Then I'm going to build the mini app where you can create your AI twin. And it's gonna be like, you can talk to it through Telegram and you can like send money and you can have your own token. And maybe I'll integrate it with Zora creator tokens. Like, that's gonna be cool. Perplexity, let's do research about Perplexity. No, stop, let me add this. How as a developer, I can build an app on top of Zora creator tokens. Okay, built, and now Oh yeah, Zora creator tokens. You can just like build that. It's amazing. Cry, 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 baby. Klein. I just used $25 in Claude credits in the last less than 24 hours. Such is life. C'est la vie. You can say c'est la vie for anything. Okay, so I was like, I had this, I was like, okay, I first heard that from this like really beautiful girl that was like a French teacher, and and damn, I was like 22, she was like 21. Actually, she was my then at the time girlfriend's roommate, and she remember her saying that, and I was like, such is life. All right, so this error is not fixed yet, and 8:33. Ay, 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 ay caramba, ay caramba, c'est la vie. I think that can be like used in a term like, but yeah, I mean, ay, 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 ay. But why is it happening here? I don't get why it's happening. I think it crashed. Como crashed. Stop! Implement the proper fix. Add guards to post hog captures. Alright, I think I got the bug fix. I'm gonna go pee. And I'm feeling good about, like, I want to create sci-fi films. Like, dude, I want to create sci-fi films. I think Next.js is just not for app building. It's good for landing pages or simple apps, but it gets you in a lot of tangles with this, like, I mean, you have to like really niche down into Next, but like it's got its own operating world, and that could work for somebody, but it's like better to just like work with the raw materials sometimes. So it's actually, yeah, it's how it is, but it's always like a challenge of what are you doing? Trade-offs. There's always trade-offs. There's never a perfect answer. It's all about momentum. Like you're gonna hit a wall and you gotta find a way around it. So right now I'm like, what's this? I mean, this is a client. How can this be running on server? The window, oh, it's maybe like being, oh, I see what it's doing. I mean, so the use effect, it's being compiled. The code logic is being compiled on the server. And then if PostHog is using a window, which is a client-side API, and then it will be undefined on the server, and then it's going to crash. So that's what's happening. So don't use the PostHog So then you can just have a window check, so that it checks first and then it runs the code. But it's not good. But the question is, like, why is it showing the error on the server side? Why is it showing the error on the server side? Why is it showing the error on the server side? Because it's trying to compile it, right? Or it's trying to compile it. Yeah, but it should not be trying to run it. Hard refresh. Now we can test it and see if it works. It's 8:42 a.m. and I really need Muay Thai. Shadow boxing. I can play like shadow boxing VR, like boxing. I can do. I have boxing games in VR. There's no Muay Thai in VR games yet because it's difficult with the getting your. It's difficult with getting your tracking your feet. Now, why is it showing the 502 error? Cry, 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 cry. But why is there's nothing in the logs? The logs don't show anything. I think a nice prayer is, God, please show me how good life can get. And then you're asking the universe to like open you up to all the good that can happen in your life. Because so much good can happen in your life. And you're only limited by your own kind of preset belief of what you're capable of experiencing or what you're capable of being gifted. And like you can be given the whole world. You're worthy of the whole universe, of all the most wonderful things you can ever experience. You can have them. There's nothing preventing you from that. You just ask for it and believe that you can receive it, and you have the capacity to receive it, and you're capable and worthy of receiving them. Like that's what I really want from the universe. Like, universe, God, thank you for all these gifts that I've been giving, all these blessings that I've been given, and there has been so many, and please give me more, like show me how good life can get. What am I doing now? I have to I got new logs. Rebuilding. Ay, ay, ay. 8:53. Okay, maybe like 20 minutes left. Doing a build, yarn build. And then what I have to do now is visualize the end goal, the end state. Yeah, what I believe is I really have to restart from a new scratch, and that means just having one chat interface where you can do multi-chat, chat with PDF, chat with projects, do a flow chart of a chat. But it's all about improving and like iterating. You have to start somewhere. You have to put stuff out there. Now PM2 restart essay maker. PM2 logs essay maker lines 1000. PM2 flush. Now I should be able to see the live. Let's see. Is this me? I think you're right. You're I need some shadow boxing, some bag work. Can I do that now? While the app is building? It's building, so I can do this. I'll go. Knee. I have maybe like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go. Today's Wednesday. $9:04. So I think today my goal is, well, how did I get here to this level of where I'm at now? I spent maybe the last 4 hours on this bug, which has to do with Next.js and its deployment. So how can I get better at this? Like, you just have to use your brain and be like, okay, I'm running into obstacles. How can I solve them? And the answer is I can try to make my deployment system more predictable, reliable. How can I do that? I can use Terraform to just like take care of deployment. I think if I can reduce this cycle of going from local to deployment using GitHub Actions, that would be huge. So if I can just do git push and then just watch it to get deployed, and then maybe have a separate like But this error should not be an issue. The window is not defined because it's. Why is it showing up on the server though? That means it's running on the server. If it's running, but the message is sent from the browser. And this is a browser component, text chat tab.tsx, and it says use client. So I don't get this. PM2 flush. Oh God, this is the same thing. I'm not just a coder. I'm a conductor of intelligence. I move with clarity, patience, and creative depth. My focus holds the vision. My taste shapes the outcome. The AI builds the logic, but I guide the soul. Together we create with purpose, flow, and mastery. That's my daily mantra for a master vibe coder. Because we live in a world where we just use AI. Oh, now I have to like meditate and figure out this error. All right, I have to go now. So thank you for watching, and gonna go work and sending you good thoughts and vibes and vibrations and frequencies. It's 9:14 a.m. May you be free from suffering.